So, since I got the Tesla, people are asking me how is the build quality of this car? Are there any interior or exterior like creaks and sounds? And the truth is that the Tesla is very solidly built car for this price range. There are no creaks and any interior noises. Despite one, there's only one noise that makes me very nervous every time. And it's this noise. So every time when you open one of the front doors, you hear this noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very annoying. It's like quonk at a specific point. So it is caused by some of the hinges. So what from Tesla recommending is to replace one of the hinges on the door. But even after doing that, the noise will come back. But there is a very simple method that I read about, that you could fix this yourself only by using a 13mm wrench. Yeah, it's 13mm, it's not so visible. But the idea is that the noise is coming out of this part here. And the solution is actually very easy. You just need to loosen this bolt, this 13mm bolt, and when it's loose, you need to push down this part. And while you're pushing it down, then you tighten up the bolt. So it sounds pretty easy. It works on a lot of people. So let me try it. I'll try to fix the phone so you can see. So it should be enough to loosen up the bolt just a little. Okay. So it's currently a little bit loose already. I will just push it downwards. There's a little bit of a movement in this part. I will push it as much as I can downwards and I will tighten up the bolt. So okay, so let's try it. So I finally managed to do it. The trick is that you don't need to push on this part, you need to push on this part. So this part will like jiggle up and down, and you need to push on this part while in the same time you're tightening the bolt. So here is the result. No sound at all. Perfect. So now let's do the other side. I'll show you what is the current situation there. So okay, we can hear how, oh, it's pretty much worse on this side. This is the only sound that actually, that annoying sound that Tesla is making. So let me do it quickly off camera. Once again, you unscrew this bolt just to get loose. You push on exactly this part downwards. I'll actually show you how this part is actually moving once the bolt is untightened. Okay, maybe you cannot see it, but now this part is moving up and down. And now I will just push on this side while I tighten it up. So I just tighten it up and here's the result. No sound at all. it became even better on this side. It's like a brand new. I mean, I'm surprised how this is just a 1 minute job that can fix something which is causing so annoying sounds. So that's what I love about the Tesla, is how it's very simple and easy to fix such things. And there's no need to, for example, disassemble the whole door or replace something just to fix this noise. So yeah, it was a pretty nice car so far. And yeah, I will now try to once again unscrew the bolt, and I will try to push it a little bit downwards. There's no sound, but on the initial closing, I don't know if you can hear that. It's very light, but it's there, and I will try to fix it. Share, subscribe, share with someone that have a Tesla and have this awful, disgusting sound. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and see you next time.